Do you have a baby who hates sitting in their high chair? Does your baby cry every time it comes time to get into the high chair? Well, I have one simple trick that can help make your baby more comfortable in their high chair, and this works especially if you're just starting out with solid foods. Hi, I'm Katie Ferraro, mom of 7 and registered dietitian specializing in baby-led weaning, and I work with lots of babies who don't exactly love their high chair from the get-go. But here's how you can ease your baby's pain and make things a little bit safer when it comes to starting solid foods. The safest position for your baby to be sitting in their high chair is what I call the 3x90 setup. So we want to see your baby's joints be at 90 degrees in 3 different areas. 90 degrees at the waist, 90 degrees at the knees, and 90 degrees at the ankles.
Resting flat, okay? So her ankles are at 90 degrees, her knees at 90 degrees, and then her waist at 90 degrees.
Let's take a look at your baby's posture in their high chair. Now, most high chairs are way too big for early eaters. Your baby, they're gonna be swimming around in that high chair, and if they fall backwards, they move into a reclining position that dramatically increases choking risk. So you can remedy this problem by providing a temporary backrest that helps keep your baby's back flat so that they can get a safer swallow. My best tip for helping to stabilize early eaters is to roll up a dish towel and place it behind your baby's back. This simple trick helps your baby feel more secure in their high chair, but it also prevents their movement into that dangerous backward-leaning position that could increase choking risk. Now, parents sometimes ask about whether or not they should buy a high chair cushion. For real, the only thing that a high chair cushion does is just make more laundry. It's one more thing for you to clean. High chair cushions are not developmentally advantageous. They don't provide additional support, and if you like the way they look or you like doing extra laundry, then by all means go for the cushion. But I think you're gonna get a lot more mileage out of the rolled up towel. If you want more info on giving your baby a safe start to solid foods, I can show you what not to do. I got a great video where I react to some unsafe feeding pictures. Check that out, and I'll see you next time.